Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2020 Infiniti Q60 LUXE 3.0 all-wheel drive that we have for sale. One awesome sport luxury coupe. We recently traded this one in. Very low miles, only 7,492 miles at the time of making this video. It's a clean Carfax vehicle. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. Very nice condition. It's, I think I'll have a hard time finding a mark on it. And we don't have any new Q60s in stock, unfortunately. We have some incoming, but new cars have been tough, so this might be a great alternative over a brand new one for something that's in near new condition itself, and it really doesn't look too much different than a 22 Q60. As far as features go, not a huge difference. 2020 is a great year for the Q60 because it actually got an updated infotainment system. You have a clearer, crisper display. And then you also have the addition of Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto, which I know a lot of people were asking for. Finally, Infiniti obliged and offered it for 2020 on the Q60. This one is very nicely equipped with features. We have the original build sheet on this one. The original MSRP was $55,420. It has the Essential package. That was a $3,200 option, giving you many features I guess people would consider essential, like navigation with premium traffic and map care, voice recognition for navigation functions, automatic collision notification, emergency call, Wi-Fi hotspot. We have Sirius XM traffic and travel link that does require a subscription. Power tilt telescoping steering column, driver's seat power lumbar and side bolsters. Dual occupant memory seat for driver's seat, steering column, and outside mirrors. Heated front seat and heated steering wheel. Heated front seats and heated steering wheel. A remote engine start, auto dimming outside mirrors, and you have a reverse tilt down function when you have it in park for those side mirrors. ProAssist package was $650, giving you a blind spot warning, backup collision intervention, a 360-degree around view monitor with moving object detection, front and rear sonar system, and rain sensing wipers. Then this beautiful perforated leather interior, that was $1,350. And then this beautiful shade of majestic white was a $695 premium color. There you have it. Beautiful interior design on the Q60. We have a drive mode selector that will make changes to steering effort, transmission shift points, traction, and stability control settings. You notice that the Q60 has a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation, parking camera, and there's that 360 around view camera, great for low speed maneuvering. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can actually access the drive mode selector here, drill down a little bit deeper if you want. Active trace control, Active trace control brakes individual wheels to help the vehicle rotate a little bit better through the corners. You can shut that system on or off. Nice leather wrap steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. Bose sound system. We have a blind spot warning, forward collision warning, forward emergency braking, moonroof, automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener. So the Q60 is pretty much a coupe version of our Q50 sedan. And though we do have to make some concessions as far as practicality goes with a coupe versus a sedan or a crossover SUV, there's no denying that coupes are absolutely beautiful. Some of the best looking cars on the road are coupes, and you could easily say the Q60 is probably one of the best looking cars on the road too. Actually, Car and Driver had an article not too long ago about called the top 10 best looking cars you can buy. They had all sorts of cars in different price ranges, but the Q60 made it on the list for a very good reason. I mean, look at this thing, it's absolutely stunning. Okay, so the Q60 is available rear-wheel drive is standard, intelligent all-wheel drive is optional. This has the intelligent all-wheel drive, which is very popular in our wet, slippery climate. You'll do okay with rear-wheel drive, but if you want better wet weather performance, if you do want to drive in the snow, you're going to do a lot better with all-wheel drive. This is an all-wheel drive system that has racing pedigree. It was originally derived from an early version of the Nissan Skyline GTR. We've been using this all-wheel drive system in our Infiniti products for over 20 years. It's been a very reliable system. It's not only just a system that will improve your traction in wet, slippery conditions, but also improve your performance in the dry. It's a racing-inspired all-wheel drive system. So, for instance, if you're getting more aggressive on the power, in the throttle, going through corners, that all-wheel drive system will help slingshot you through those corners. So in a lot of ways, it will improve your performance, and definitely in the wet, you'll have a lot better wet weather performance with this all-wheel drive system. It's called a Tesla all-wheel drive. It stands for Advanced Total Traction Engineering System for All Terrain. So basically the way it works is it's 100% rear-wheel drive during normal driving conditions. It has an electromagnetic differential, so as soon as those rear wheels slip, in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. And like I said, it works awesome. I have Infiniti myself with the same all-wheel drive system. Drive performance is great. Then when we had some snow not too long ago, we had about a week of snowy weather. I was able to drive it in the snow, go up some hills, and it was amazing how well that thing just did in the snow. For an engine, we have a twin-turbo V6 pumping out 300 horsepower. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.